Hello friends, welcome to my Success Tool family. Make sure that you have subscribed our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a successful updates. Let's get into the video. How to make the law of attraction work for you. The law of attraction is not a new idea. It has always been here from ancient times, and people have always used it. Hunters, who painted scenes of hunting on the walls of caves thousands of years ago, used the law of attraction in an instinctive way. When they looked at these paintings, they enhanced their motivation and belief. Present-day entrepreneurs, businessmen and businesswomen, sportsmen and sportswomen, and successful people, also use this principle, when they visualize in their mind what they wish to accomplish. You too, use the law of attraction, though unknowingly, whenever you think, make plans, or daydream. How to make the law of attraction work. How to use the law of attraction and make it work for you. You can learn how to use the law of attraction effectively. It is a skill that you can develop, but it requires some effort, earnestness, and persistence. There is something you need to know. The realization that you can transform your life and create success brings excitement, hope, and motivation. Often, after reading a book about this topic, or attending a workshop, you might feel you can conquer the world. However, getting results needs time, patience, and persistence. Understanding this will protect you from disappointments and frustrations, in case you do get results fast enough. If you are told that you can create everything you want, but are not provided with the proper guidance and practical instructions, how can you proceed? You need the proper information and tools. You make the law of attraction work by visualizing in your mind what you want to achieve. It is not enough to visualize just a few minutes, and then let doubts and disbelief fill your mind for the rest of the day. You need to keep a positive attitude constantly, and prevent negative thoughts, doubts, and disbelief to enter your mind, and this requires some practice. It is not enough just to visualize a few times, and then wait for miracles to happen. You need to have a strong desire and motivation, and the commitment to do whatever is necessary to achieve your goal. You need persistence, concentration, the ability to visualize, and at least a certain degree of self-discipline. You need to be willing and ready to take advantage of opportunities that come your way. You need to be willing to act and do things, not just wait for your desires to materialize out from thin air, or drop suddenly on you from the sky. In order to take full advantage of the law of attraction and make it work for you, you need to know certain rules and follow them. It is true that some people achieve success in various areas of life, without knowing much or anything about the law of attraction, but they intuitively and instinctively use it correctly. 1. The law of attraction is not a method for getting rich quickly, without doing anything. 2. You need to do some mental work. 3. You need to know what you really want. 4. You need to focus and visualize on your goals. 5. You need to be ready and willing to follow the mental work with any required actions on the physical plane. This law can manifest your desires in many ways, sometimes immediately and directly, and sometimes in an indirect way, through various, gradual steps. Sometimes, you might attain your goal in a sudden or miraculous way, and at other times, slowly, one thing leading to another. People might help you achieve your goals, a new job might come along, and great idea might pop up in your mind, or your intuition might tell you to follow a certain course of action. These are just a few of the many ways, through which this law can help you manifest your desires. Using the law of attraction. I am sure you want to know how to use the law of attraction and improve your life, but are you willing to try it, study, and spend time improving your ability? You can make the law of attraction work for you, when you learn about it, understand it, and use it consciously and wisely. In order to use this law consciously and get positive results, you need more than just general information. There are many books out there that teach about this law. Some provide general information, while others are more instructive and detailed. When you know how to use the law of attraction, you will be able to achieve success, achieve your goals and dreams, change your habits and build new ones. Get a promotion at work. Find love. Travel abroad. Carry out tasks successfully. Improve your relationships. Attract money into your life. Improve your health. And much more. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, leave a like and comment to motivate us to give more videos, share with your friends to improve themselves also. We wish you all success in the journey of your life. Join our Success Tool community to become more successful. Thanks for watching, friends.